Itemi-inĩ rĩa kũnyihia ikuũ ngiri-inĩ irĩ na hinya wa thitima, anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũgendi na ũramati wa nyamũ cia gĩthaka marathingata rũhonge rwa ũrũgamĩrĩri wa hinya wa kũhũthĩka gwetha njĩra ingĩ cia kũgiria nyamũ kuma nyanjara-inĩ matekũhũthĩra ngiri irĩ na hinya wa thitima.
There's a very serious problem with electrocution of wildlife, in particular with birds of prey. They are the most electrocuted species of wildlife that we have globally, but certainly here in Kenya. So it's not just a Kenya problem. This is a very much a global problem.
When we come here to talk about birds of prey and bringing in all the energy sector, we realize that the country must develop. And because development and conservation must work together to come hand in hand.
What is happening is that the energy sector is expanding. Kenya has got a target of having a universal access of electricity by 2030, and to achieve that, the several infrastructure projects, power lines are being built, both transmission and distribution. So as these power lines expand, there's increased interaction between the power lines and the wildlife biodiversity.
Makiaria marĩ mwena wa Nanyuki kũrĩa macokanĩtie ndundu gũcirĩra thĩna ũyũ, aramati a nyamũ cia gĩthaka maugĩte nĩ gũkoretwo na ikuũ nyingĩ cia nyamũ kumana na kũgũthwo nĩ waya ici cia thitima. Maugĩte nyoni nĩ cigũmĩirwo nĩ thĩna ũyũ mũnene, makĩongerera atĩ kũrĩ na makĩria ma nyamũ 200 ciũragĩtwo nĩ waya cia thitima kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 5, ũndũ ũrĩa ũrabatara kũnyihio.
This is a partnership that is bringing in all the players in the energy sector and us to create awareness, particularly to the infrastructure developers and particularly the power developers, that we can actually, development can coexist with wildlife when we partner together.
They are the number one electrocuted group of species when it comes to energy infrastructure. So yeah, we hope that we can develop better mitigations and also better planning so that when this energy infrastructure is being built.
There's been a lot of electrocutions of wildlife and birds on some of the power lines which have already been built. So we are here to find solutions to mitigations. What do we need to do? What can the energy sector do to make power lines much safer for the wildlife?
Thĩna ũyũ umanĩte na wongerereku wa ibata rĩa thitima iria iragerio nyanjara-inĩ na kũrĩa ciaga kũgathĩkwo wega igacũngĩrĩria ikuũ kũrĩ nyamũ cia gĩthaka. Riboti ya Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia, njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.